Fishing, the ultimate adventure for all, even the uninitiated. Democracy's light shines brightest in the outdoors. In a world where technology often overshadows our connection with nature, it's time to rediscover the simple joy of fishing. But here's the catch, pun intended. You don't have to be a pro to enjoy it. Last week, I embarked on a fishing journey along the upper Colorado River. For 7 hours, I battled the elements, tangled lines, and even managed to hook my shirt sleeve. But let me tell you, it was an experience like no other. You see, fishing is more than just catching fish. It's about the journey, the peacefulness of being one with nature, and the thrill of the unknown. And this is the part most people miss. It's okay to be a beginner. Imagine the satisfaction of finally landing that first catch, no matter how small. It's a feeling of accomplishment that can't be replicated. And let's not forget the peacefulness of being surrounded by nature, the sound of the river and the gentle breeze on your face. But here's where it gets controversial. Some might argue that fishing is only for the skilled. However, I believe it's an activity that welcomes all, regardless of experience. It's about embracing the challenges, learning from your mistakes, and enjoying the process. So, are you ready to give fishing a try? It might just be the adventure you never knew you needed. And who knows, you might just find your own unique connection with nature, just like I did. Remember, it's not about catching the biggest fish. It's about the experience and the memories you create along the way. What do you think? Is fishing an activity that should be embraced by all, or do you have a different perspective? Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation and maybe even inspire someone to give fishing a go.